Welcome to a session in which we will discuss objectives of a business. You may remember that we define business as a recurring economic activity of selling goods and/or services after making or buying or delivering them with an aim of making profits, having invested money in it. In this definition, we are going to look at a phrase which says, with an aim of making profits. This indicates that the main reason for doing business is to make profits. Thus, we can say that the objective of a business is to make profits so that for the owner, it is worth doing the business. It is important to note that we are not talking about making some profits, but it is about that much profit which helps owner live comfortably and still save money for rainy days. The objective of profits needs to be specific. That means it must say exactly how much profit the business wishes to make in a given period. If the number is not specific, then the business and the owner will not know how to plan for the business. More importantly, the owner will not know what defines the success of the business. By that, we mean if someone asks the owner a question, "How was your business last year?" As the owner, she should be able to clearly say if the business was good or it was not good. She will be able to say this only when she knew how much profit she wanted to make at the end of the year. If the business made at least that much profit, then she can confidently say, yes, the business went very well last year. Let's take some examples to understand when we can say that the objective of a business is specific. If the business owner says that the business will make some profit, then we can say that this is not specific at all. She then corrects the statement and says the business will make rupees 10,000 profit. This statement is better, but it is not specific enough. Now, she corrects it further and says the business will make rupees 10,000 profit in this month. We can now say that this objective is specific enough to be acceptable. It is often easy to define a specific objective, but it is much harder to meet it. So, the objective of the business also needs to be realistic along with being specific. By realistic, we mean that it must be possible to achieve the objective by the business owner with reasonable efforts. Coming up with realistic objectives is not a matter of opinion. It involves understanding a number of concepts such as market size, market share, how well are competitors doing business, etc. We will look at these concepts at another time. To summarize, the objective of a business is to make profits. The objective needs to be specific. That means we should be clearly able to say how much profits and during what period the business will make. The objective needs to be also realistic so that the owner of the business should be able to achieve that with reasonable efforts. That briefly is about the objective of a business.